How to send disappearing photo in Telegram. Now launch the Telegram application. Then select the message conversation that you want to send the disappearing photo to. And then within the message box, you will see this paperclip icon. Tap that icon and then select the photo that you want to send. Now within the caption box, you will see an icon. Tap that icon and it will provide you options as to how long you want the photo to be kept after viewing. Now select your preferred time, or you can also select this option, view once. Now it says photo will be deleted 3 seconds after opening. Once you're done selecting, hit the send button located on the lower right corner. Now once this photo is viewed, after 3 seconds, this photo will be permanently deleted. And so that is how you send disappearing photo in Telegram. Thank you and have a great day.